If a red light comes on,
Red light is on.
let's roll. After you, Chip. And thanks for leading. And ride with everyone. Now, I was going to say,
I'm going to mix it up a little bit.
that's fine. If you want to do an outside loop, we could, but we'll ride as long as you want. If you get to the point where you're starting to get tired, you need a bail, let somebody know. I'm saying
I'll
for the group.
halfway or something.
Well, let us know because we'll make sure you get out because you don't know your way around here.
Yeah.
Y'all follow in any order you want. I'm last.
I rode 12 miles on Sunday. And
Yeah.
I'm trying to recuperate.
Yeah, Kel, you saw those guys on the, Tavares, those guys on the downhill, they didn't yield.
Yeah, I saw them Sunday. I got a nasty scar from, I was heading uphill, and a lady was coming downhill, and she did not know to yield.
You need to tell them. And when they pass, you say, riders on the uphill have the right of way, dumbass. Hey, what's up? I'm last.
How are you?
Thank you. We'll see you, Gary. He's a good rider. Gary Loudon. Oh, riding the new stuff. All good, Chip. Thank you. Ride her up. Thank you, I'm last. Thank you, I'm last. To the right. And this is a good point to reinforce, Sean, if we can all get to one side. Repetition is the mother of learning. It's all right.
He did the right thing. He went to the right.
Yes, okay, but follow the leader. And Chip, I've got us an average speed, which is sort of smoking, 9.2. That's intermediate.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Feeling it, Tavares?
I'm good.
I feel it. I'm a slow ass. I'm out of shape, man.
So humid today.
It is because of the rain.
Better cool down.
Keep moving. Something I'll mention, I used to not be a believer in it. Wicking fabric works. Works.
Can we do Tour de France and take a leak from the bushes, or is that no?
Well, they have restrooms here. If you need to pee, let us know.
Yeah. Can we just do it? All right.
Hold on 1 second. He's gonna relieve himself. I'm gonna